I'm Sylvia Earle. I'm an oceanographer, explorer in residence at the National Geographic. The ocean drives climate and weather, regulates temperature, absorbs much of the carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and holds 97% of Earth's water. Even if you never have a chance to see or touch the ocean touches you with every breath you take, every drop of water you drink, every bite you consume. Everyone, everywhere, depends on the ocean. It's the blue heart of the planet. It's going to take everyone to help ensure that this blue heart survives for future generations. 90% of the fish that were common when I was a kid are now gone. Low oxygen zones, places where few fish can survive, have formed in many coastal areas, largely as a consequence of excess fertilizers and toxic chemicals flowing from upstream fields and backyards. Plastic debris now clogs many beaches, reefs, and even the open ocean. Many groups are working to help save the ocean and to take care of our coasts. There's so much that you can do to make a difference. I'd like to tell you about a really, truly effective partnership called Coastal America that brings together federal, state, and local governments, private corporations, conservation groups, and aquariums. Together, they're able to accomplish far more than any of them could on their own. Partnership projects restore degraded marshes, reduce polluted runoff, eliminate damaging invasive species, and remove obstacles to fish migrations. The aquariums and research centers that are such an important part of the Coastal America Learning Center network are a terrific place to learn more about the serious issues facing our oceans and coasts, and to get involved in fixing the problems. Interactive exhibits and educational programs bring the latest scientific information to the public. Volunteer at one of the many learning centers, and you could find yourself spending time on a scientific research vessel, planting native marsh grasses, helping with a beach cleanup, or caring for rescued sea turtles. Coastal America also sponsors a nationwide art contest for students of all ages, whose winners have received recognition from the President. And high school students have a unique opportunity to make their voices heard, participating in the National Student Summit on the Ocean and Coasts, where they meet with policymakers from the upper levels of government. I can tell you firsthand, these are exciting events. The Coastal America partners want to help you create a brighter future for our ocean. Every one of us is needed to make sure that the ocean, the blue heart of our world, beats strong for now and for future generations. To get involved and make a difference, please visit a Coastal America Learning Center near you.